ugly, dumb, worthless bitch. Don't ever call my phone again. Next time you even wake up and think of calling my phone, ram your head in the fucking wall. You'll be safer doing that than calling my phone because next time you call my phone, it's up for you, nigga. That's right. Pop, pop, pop. That's it. Lights out. Call my fucking phone again, you worthless bitch. How I tell you that once?
Man, I swear I was just looking at that boy. I just got on. I said, damn.
Nice retrace.
Beautiful retrade. I had to come back down. Just hit that 70. Ain't touched nothing on the way up. And it gave that entry during the back row too. We took that. That's why you can't be late to the party.
Oh, you got hours. If you don't start until 9, 10, hey, that is what it is. That's like you own a boutique and you missed that one client. Like, damn,
Man.
I should open up a little bit earlier. No. Hey, yo, Amir,
Yes, sir.
you know when I called you yesterday, this is what I meant about when you looking for your bias and everything. It's like you're not wrong saying that the daily printed a swing high. You're not wrong. But look at the landscape of it. It came right into that daily gap. And then look, it left nothing inside there. So for me, when I get stuff like this, I wait for more information for me to get a definite answer that pre-day low is the target. Does that make sense, Amir?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you and I put that as like, yeah, you're right. This is a short-term high. But look at what happened. Look at the landscape. Now, was this a full bullish bearish candle? No. Open, high, low, close right here. What is low is here? You close right here. So when I see things like this, I need more data. I need either the next day to show me that it wants to go lower, or just wait for the next day after this, Monday. Because then now this would confirm a swing low, which we're looking for higher prices. Does that make sense, Amir?
Hmm.
No. You would never perform. I would been there off. Why not? They try to offer that with the stuff that's going on.
Yeah, because it would make more people come out. Yeah. Well, why not just get the bag? If you have gay fans, that's not enough. But you're pushing your music. The jumper is the rat trap. That trash bag off the interstate. Jumper is the rat trap.
Hey, yo, Amir,
Yes, sir.
at times when we in area two, I want you to look at now, like say you get in here, let's just say the setup happened here, and let's say you wasn't comfortable. You start looking at go below here. Look to your left, and if you can find a swing point or where price, put it under there. At times we get in a lot in this area too, and then we got to put our stop loss right below here, and it's right literally in the same area. If you don't feel comfortable, look to your left. Put your stop loss below the swing, and below here, because you see how this is where price left off on this 30-second.
Mm-hmm.
Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because I know at times we all get a little scared, like shit, man. If I get in right here, it's right by the entry. It could come back and hit it. Look to your left. Uh, Look to your left. That's on that same level, basically. So if we're getting in, if we're looking here, this is not the same level. Does that make sense? Now here's it's the level here or here. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Have y'all looked at yeah, have y'all looked at y'all gold chart and see if it worked out the way you looked at it last night in Asian session?
Yeah.
Not yet.
Yeah, yeah, 2 minutes of the bill.
Yeah, gold took previous day high.
Do you see the setup? You see, do you see how it's set up in the Asian session for you? Is it right about 9 o'clock last night and gone? Twenty seconds. We're about to take the whole news candle. Nice move back down. I'm looking right here to see if who's gonna take it and who's not. Like ES is more likely someone's there. RTH is down. Let's see. 50% is right here. Lines up with this move. 624. Yo, Kyle. Yo, E. Yeah, you on here.
I'm like, E is not here.
Yeah, you on there.
Yeah, okay. Oh, I have to go to the top.
You said what, Jay?
No, the way my participants is at the top, so I didn't see. You gotta scroll over.
And not like a robbery.
Hmm?
And not like a robbery. Hey, yo, Amir.
Yeah, man.
You see where I got in at?
I'm not sure exactly where you I'm not sure exactly where you got in. Was it on a 30 or 1 minute?
Oh, 30-second.
Was it uh was it here or
No, yeah, yeah, right there. The opening of this candle.
is that the order block?
No, it's the last down candle when it got the gap. You
Was
know,
this
we don't name call it around here.
so wait, you got in here when it came back over on this side?
Yeah, once it invalidated this bearish gap right here
Hmm.
and it came back, I was in. Because when I called you and I talked about like if this is bearish, this is a bearish gap, it should not do this. So when we did that, the range is from here to here. And as we say, and on that note, done. Pack it up. It's a day. Pack it up. NFP Friday. Somebody in the big just said they confused prices consolidating. Mm, no, it wasn't. I got in. So this was 9:30. We had start pushing back down. And then you had these bearish gaps here and here. When price gave this candle at 9:30 and validated this 5 minute gap, five minutes higher than a higher thing. Repeat what you said about a bearish gap. Man, come on, man. Y'all done heard it before, man. Y'all act like y'all brand new, man. Come on, man. Keep the main thing the main thing. Come on, man. This bearish gap here, when we invalidated it here, I'm looking at okay, yeah. We're on this range before, and I didn't even wait for confirmation of the short-term high bearish gap wick above. I was, I just took a leap of faith and said it shouldn't come. It shouldn't. If this is the range from here to here, this is the support. This is gap here, gap here, gap here. I use this down candle. So when this came back at 9:36, and it went up. Somebody said you teach change. Oh yeah, definitely. Hey yo, Amir, people in the bleachers want to know, have I taught you guys how to trade like that when this gets invalidated?
You talked about the invalidation, but I don't think oh getting in on this candle. Um,
Or you can be in the gap. It don't matter. Stop loss gotta go below here. Should keep going higher. 950 macro. Take it up. All the way up. Hey, yo, Kyle. Yeah, I think you on here.
Yo,
You take a trade this morning?
yeah, I took that same back.
Okay, man. Okay. Hey, what gave you the conviction to take the buy?
I seen, hold on, let me mark it up. I'm seeing the short term high into this gap. Dang, hold on, that ain't dry. Because I was really looking down, but then once I seen it, whatever your cursor is right there, like 3 candles over when I seen that short term high. Hold on, where I get in at? Yeah, 735. Yeah. So when I seen that short term high, and then it came back to the gap. Yeah, right there. I ain't even gonna lie. I had market buyed it right there. And
Okay.
then I took it up to that swing. I wanted to go to the 1 minute gap, but when I looked at the TP right there, that was enough place for me. And I'm glad I took it right there, cause shit. But like I said, I was really looking down, cause I'm looking like RTH down. But I know if it don't respect it, then we 9 times out of 10, like you said, we probably bullish for the day.
Mhm. See, and then for me, yeah, I was looking down initially at 930, see if it's gonna come back down. But
Mm-hmm.
if price was going to go down, it should not have closed in this gap like this at all. Should not.
Yeah,
Should
exactly.
not. Should not. And I go over that a lot with y'all. It's like you should look at, okay, if this is a bearish gap, this should be some resistance to go lower. When this gets closed in like this, to me, that is support to go higher. And
Right.
I'm just like, okay, when this candle for and not close at 935, so 935 is right here. Okay, as E would say, if this is 935 right here, where's the floor? This is the floor. This is the roof. Now, going back here, where's the last line of defense where price can bounce at? You got a gap here. You got a gap here. This is the last down. This is the down candle I used,
Right.
and my stop was below here.
Okay.
Does that make sense, Kyle?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how I look at it. See, and I got in a little aggressive because I didn't even wait for the short term high to be made.
Mm-hmm. Nah, I understand why though. Because like you and then that's a strong engulfing candle too. So it got you like, is it really respecting that downside?
Right. Meaning that you bounce inside this 5 minute, 15 minute gap right
Right.
here. In that be Friday also? I mean, I ain't trying to be in all day, man. I know what they can do on days like today. They can fuck up your whole weekend.
Mm-hmm.
Hey yo, Amir, this is what I want you to look at. Like for me, that was in a uh I would say for me that's a B setup because I got in. I had the confirmation on this engulfing candle, but I didn't have confirmation on this entry time frame. So I was taking a little bit of leap. Just saying, okay, price should bounce here. Stop loss below here. Now, what would have been A plus 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 if I would have had a short term high inside of here, bearish gap wick above, they came back. Then that'd have been A plus plus for me. Does that make sense, Amir?
Yeah. But, okay. Would you have added then?
If you want to get a 1 or 2, no, no. Only way I'm adding is if I catch the initial move like that. It's NFP Friday, man. This shit is gonna be crazy today.
What do you mean crazy? Like, is it gonna accumulate? Like,
No, it's gonna tear up both sides of the market.
yeah. So go like it was gonna look like this a lot.
No, 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 no. Crazy Wicks. NFP is the first Friday of every month. Uh, ICT tells us a lot of times don't trade after Wednesday morning because for a lot of inexperienced traders, they get beat up. See, and then also I was looking at Yo Kyle in the mirror. Another thing I was looking at also when I took that trade, we came inside this 5 minute gap up here. I'm like, I don't want to be here a long time, man. So I was looking at that too. Like, okay, you bounce. Okay, let me go ahead and grab this money. Nice way to close out the week.
Yeah.
Hey, watch that 4 hour.
Lower. Yeah, 2 minutes because it's gonna make a and that gap gonna be right. Shit. That 4 hour gap gonna be right here. Dun, 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 dun. That'll line up with taking that news candle at 8:30. Why don't you take it? Like they both gonna take it. See, NQ put you through it, man. It's like she ride up 140 points. Who the fucking withstand that, man? Nobody, man. 8:30 candle. They both took it. Dun, 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 dun. Damn, did NQ take it? Low. 43.75. Low. Equal lows. Always. Always. Mm, 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 mm. It should run it. It should run it. Come on. NQ trifling. NQ trifling, man. She trifling. Hey, yo, Anye,
That's Mr. Boy.
when you start school?
Um, like August 26th.
So you got about 2 more weeks. Hey, yo, Amir, when you start school?
17th.
10 days. They both took out 8:30 low. The news candle. Now the 4-hour gap right here. 618.
Straight like that. Straight like that, bro. I seen it on the 4 hour that it was looking to make that potential bullish gap. So I sold it down to it. But she made, if
And
you look
I
on the
I
4,
bought it up, and I bought up in between.
if you look at the 4 hour, you can see it was in between two. So what it did, it hit the upper one first. That was the pop. It popped up and hit the bearish gap. I don't think that news did that. Then send it back down. But you caught that retrace.
Always. You know that,
Mhm.
man. I'm here for a short time, not a long time, man. It's gonna
Now I
always be
think,
it's gonna always be signatures.
now I think she's gonna flip. This might be a deep one. Deep, right there. That's a fresh bullish gap. Show it to me.
Is that what he?
You just gotta show it to me.
Right.
I'm looking at it. Accumulation. Manipulate down. And then distribute. Let's see. Let's check over time. Get low.
You just gotta let it come, like, as much as the queen is very, very gentle in the hand. The queen is a warrior, so take it off flat. Okay. Ready.
Hey, yo, Amir.
Yes, sir.
For the person that's unsure, should they be looking at taking a 1 minute move or a 30-second move right now? What is the best thing to do now? Wait for what?
A bullish setup on a hard time frame.
Correct, but also, what do you need to see? Because for me, I would if I don't want to try to scalp something down here on a lower time frame, wait for a 5 minute either a bullish gap or 5 minute inverting of this bearish gap right here. Does that make sense?
Yeah, yeah, that makes sense. I marked it off because oh, this right here was validated, closed below.
Correct.
Is that your
But
4 hour
also,
gap right here?
say it again.
Is this a 4 hour gap?
Yeah, the 4 hour gap.
Is it a V? Is it a VI?
Yeah, the
Oh,
VI.
okay.
They say, take me through there, take me through there. Hey, hey, E, you had got out at that swing.
No, the 4 hour gap.
They just hit the 4 hour gap.
Yeah, we got out.
Yeah,
Nah.
it just hit it just now. That's why I
Yeah,
got out of it. It
yeah,
just
that's
hit
why
it.
I got out, but I thought he got out a little early at that swing. At
No,
that.
he got out the
Yeah,
4 hour
count the
gap.
volume
No,
imbalance. Volume imbalance.
he got a vowel balance.
That's part of
Ah,
the gap. That's part
Not
of
the
the gap.
foot. Yeah.
Yeah,
mm,
that's part of the gap. When you
yeah,
got a
yeah,
I
VI,
forgot. I forgot y'all add that in.
nah, yeah, I'm tripping. I ain't put that on my gap because when you said something, I'm like, damn, why he out? That's why I'm like, it ain't hit the gap yet. But I ain't see the VI.
Forgot y'all add that.
So that thing showed hit that VI and bounced back up. I'm like, come on, man, don't do
right? Is that hey, nobody
that.
get out, man. Hey, don't be bullshit, man.
But see, I ain't see the VI, so that I ain't. I'm like, man, why this thing retracing? That's why I'm like, why he get out? I get it though.
I keep on forgetting that you added to the gap.
Yeah, and
I always
because man,
keep
it
it
be like that
separate.
VI with the gap. That's like an extra 30 points that's taken away from that gap. You be on all them 30 points.
because it can't flip there. Because
The
look,
flip there. Mhm.
it hit
That's why
there
I said, yeah, it hit that. I'm like, hold on, what they
70
doing?
points. Hey, that's somebody whole model right there. 70 points right there.
Man, that's a 50K account right there
Right?
with a trail.
Nigga ever again, bro. Bro, so see, you be forgetting that even though the nigga still got grown men. Bro, I ain't ever fight no overly feminine gay nigga ever again, bro. Bro, so see, you be forgetting that even though the nigga still got grown men. Bro, please tell me why bro Gar was like, he say, wet bitch. Look, so I know if I fight him normally, so I said, okay, let's make it fun. Let me get on your level, nigga. Let me get on your level. So I'm like, wet bitch. So now we both on some bullshit. Nigga come up to me with one thing right here. He say, man, one of them motherfucker hit my jaw so hard. I ate that motherfucker like. Friends, they come. I follow the rules.
You would have to be on E time frame to catch this move back up. Hey, yo, Amir, mark this off.
Short term high. So bearish, yeah. Look above.
Where you entry at?
And get into right here. The bullish gap.
Nope.
Okay. Way up the eye feature.
Nope.
Oh, I see it.
Come on, Amir, man. Come on, man. Right.
Touch. Okay.
Come on. Hey, it's the last line of defense, man. Where's the gap at? Right here. This is where it should go. There you go. Come on, keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. There we go. Come on, a little bit more. There we go. There we go. Just like that. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Next level up. Up here. Keep pushing. Keep pushing.
About the type of 5 minute gap. Something.
Come on, almost there. There you go. A little bit more. There you go. Keep on to it and through it. There we go.
Thank you. Hmm.
To it and through it. Keep on pushing. Hey, yo, Amir, I was about to try to get back in on this 30-second when I saw this.
He ain't come back.
Nah, and I wanted here. This is the lowest entry, 599.
PG.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw that too.
Keep on pushing. Close it. Close it. Close it. Close it. OMG. You know NFP Friday, man. You think it's gonna be perfect, man? Come on, eat, man. Come on, baby. Go all the way back up to the top, man.
Squeeze for 5 minutes.
We outside. Jeez.
Amen, sister. Stop about to pass it down. It keep making business. Get out of there. Get out of there.
Throw that other gap. That's fine.
Hey, yo, E.
Hmm?
You see, ES then took everything and you lagging again, man. She wants to touch,
Last one.
yeah, she want to touch everything in the fucking stove, man. Shit. That's why mama told you put your hands in your pockets, man. Don't touch shit, man.
Hey, that's it. A little hot water. Hold it. Hold it. That's mine.
No, I just like
Hold
the
it.
intro. I just like the
Man, be
intro
kidding me
of
with
that
that.
song. I swear.
Yeah, he never he went straight back to the
Yeah, I
top.
just like the intro. All right, girl. Mm, 3 minutes to Mac attack.
Hey, yo, Amir, you take that?
No, I don't. Where'd you get in on?
You see? Do you see my entry?
Nah. Oh, is it right here? This one?
Ain't that what we talking about? The 5 minute gap right here, right?
I want that guy to hold.
I don't give a fuck about the gap. I'm out. Shit, she can do whatever she want.
I'm reaching for greatness, man.
That's cool. Hey, it's NFP Friday. Ain't shit great about it Friday.
Here's
One
my
and two.
rationale. If she was bare, she wouldn't be doing none of the shit she's doing right now.
You should go all the way up to here. Hey, cool. 1 and 2, man. Macro time. Either macro go deliver it up to the man up here or lower. We gonna see.
Okay, well, as you Amir drop that 5 minute chart up top. Hey, what you was using as your entry, boy?
Come on, man. Come on, man.
Go back to the one we had on that you had marked.
Yeah, yeah, it's 5 minutes. That way you got a bigger landscape.
So you got draw it up.
Kyle, man, you can't ask some kind of question, man. You supposed to know, man.
No. I was just looking at that entry I had just got back on. I was looking at that entry you had on the screen.
Yeah, this was the 5 minute bullish gap. We didn't invert this up here and everything. We came back 30-second. What's the last line of defense inside this 5 minute gap? Right here. Ain't nothing to talk about. Nothing to talk about.
Yeah,
1 and 2.
yeah, that's what I was trying to see if you got in. See if you got in on the type of the order block or not.
Ain't nothing else to talk about.
Man, when you start taking the order block.
We don't talk about that kind of stuff, man.
I ain't know that was your trade.
He randomly takes it when it's efficient for him to take it, but nobody else take it.
That's what I'm like. I'm like, man, start taking order block bounces.
I always call that part what E, the second area or whatever.
Area 2.
Area 2. I always say it backwards.
Yeah.
My backwards.
All the screens are scattered.
This is where, because if you're down, like if I'm in from here, trade edge, okay, I'm thinking it pulls back. This is a second area, and it's thinking, do it really want to come back where it took off from here? And that's the part that gets me nervous. I'm like, once the load is heavy. But if
somebody asked me, so you're not way on the right side? I do. It all depends on how aggressive I want to be. If
anybody's below that 50%?
Nope.
Mm-mm.
Then on top of that, you see the lower low into that quarter block.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Lower low right here.
It's the last line of defense. If I'm wrong, then I know where it's going. That's how I look at it. So like, I don't put on as much leverage because it's not confirmation yet. It's confirmation on the 5 minute, but it's not confirmation on the lower time frame. So I put on but I don't now if it would have gave it to me on the right side, then I'd have been more confident. Hopefully the person that asked that question it makes sense. No fucking heat, right? See, and then also like you gotta. It's like when you trade, like you got a tool belt, man. It's like if my AP called me and say, hey, I need you to build this house for me. I don't and I come to the construction site. Do I just bring a hammer? Ah,
Right.
man.
Batman got the little bat star. Then he got the little power balls he be throwing with the smoke. He got
See,
about 8, 9 different things in that belt.
see, and the only way you can get there is you have to
You got to
master.
understand the one before that.
No, you gotta master the basics.
You have to master the basics, but also you can't be blinded from
Right,
what
right.
is being presented, right? You can't say, well, that doesn't matter. That's what you get to ask Buzz. You got to understand everything that's printing on this chart
It's
is
telling a
the
story.
reason why.
It's telling a story.
Yeah. Because I keep on saying ES wants to retest her 5-minute gap. So this is why NQ was just here hanging out and say, all right, cool. Well, ES, go back, go check, because I already touched mine. You go
Right,
to
and that's
yours.
and coupled with I'm watching these candles, seeing how they print.
How
I'm
they
like, all right,
print, and they
you
keep
ain't getting no
printing
body closures
above.
50% yet. It's just
Right. So when I see that, I'm like, okay, let me get out right now because ES looks like she want to retest her 5-minute before going higher. And NQ gonna be a gentleman, be like, okay, Sunshine, go check yours, go retest yours. Because there's no reason we need to be dipping back into it, this gap. But it's just showing me. So I'm just watching ES right now. Or ES could be ready to go and NQ just keep getting orders. It could be still the other way around.
Like if you want these big moves, man, you gotta hold. Like but things you have to give it room to do its thing. But you also need to know when, okay, now you get to the area where all right, it's gonna make a break.
This
If it make a
is
break, you
the
gotta say,
only
hey,
area that, this is the only area when it does this, I second guess myself. I can hear this,
right.
I can hear the voice in my head. Get out! Take your money. You can hear it, like you gotta like master that part. And that part is like, should I? But if I have only 1 or 2 contracts, minis, I'll be, but I don't have that. The load is too heavy. Then I start to fight the market. Yeah, it's just conjecture.
Somebody said that boy a scalper. True scalper. Hey, I'm here for a short time, not a long time, man.
Boy, always been a scalper.
Yep.
He wasn't holding for a very long time. Yeah.
So she went into this gap, was sent it back down, but she made this gap in the process. So she went from this yen, she went from here, hit that, boom, send it back down to this gap, boom. Now this pushing it back up. What's next? Look up to the left. I don't see no gaps. That point.
Yeah, I don't see that.
See that little sliver right there.
So boy, when she's here in this area too for a while, mentally, do you wait for her to give you something else? It's like set up again?
Nah, he looks to the left over here in this area for
Yep.
the lowest point that she can go and still be back.
Lowest point still. Lowest point.
I'm just asking questions. I know people in the back
Because
might be
it's the
saying
range.
that is the range, correct?
Right. But this is the last line of defense.
Yep.
And so because we touched that gave you high probability would continue to the upside.
You want at least up over here.
Plus also she inverted that 5-minute bearish gap and then it came back. So that's when I was looking at it.
Let's go back to the 5 minutes. Set it up. All right.
This gap right here.
Yep. With the bug. That went over that.
Yeah, body
Retrace
closure.
back to this gap.
Yeah.
Right.
You got to give it all this play. You got to give it all this in order to still be valid. It's just a wider range when you're trying to play a 5 minute gap, play off a 5 minute gap. You got to give it, you got to give it room to breathe.
Because we're looking at 30 seconds. It's what it's 10 candles for that 5 minutes. So it's like you're doing a lot of work. For me, I look at it a lot. Because it gave a bearish gap up here. And then on Thursday it gave, but when you look at the landscape, it's like these are going higher and higher.
Yeah, you need to come down so it retraces down to the gap.
Yeah, and let's say somebody took this and lost. Okay. But then it came right back down to this one.
Bring your field. This probably 62, right?
I got you.
I think that's probably 62. But this probably somewhere up ahead, probably 50. No, here.
On the bottom.
You're right at 50%.
But the order block 62.
Yeah.
So it went below 50%, but held on that order OB.
Mm-hmm. But for the teams, let's say they don't see that, like this gap, and then let's say you got into the top of the gap. Stop gotta go below here. Now you have 1-to-1. 1-to-2 will take you up here.
No gaps. One up.
No gaps.
No bearish gaps from that point.
See, that's why I always say like it's not a, what's the word? It's not a definite answer like when I come to the market, like because one day I might take the top of the gap, one day I might take 50% of the gap, one day I might take right. It's like it all depends on like what's my mood of the day, man. It's like, and that's why it's hard at times to like explain to people. It's like because like it's like I don't know. all I know is that I'm looking to go up, man. I don't know. Shit.
All those people, natural resource.
Yeah. I know a lot of people hit me up and like, boy, why you pick this? Like, it's like I know the direction. I know where it's going. Now, how I'm getting there, I don't know from time to time. And it's like, see, and for me, that's why I believe that's why algos and it's not a high 80-90% win rate because it's like every day. See, and this is one thing I tell you guys all day long. Every day the market is going to give you something unique, different. Your job as a trader is to find out what is the market telling me in the direction. Is it giving me characteristics that meets that my bias?
Slide your 30-second over to you see left.
Gotcha. So Teams when he say slide over,
You mean grab it and slide.
he don't mean this. He means this.
That-
This is slide.
Slide it over, right? Right. So
Because the left is going to tell you what's going to happen on the right. If you like this, you don't know what the hell's happening on the left side.
you gotta be able to see what's going on to the left. The left is the information.
Right.
You're predicting the right. So when we was here, this is why I was saying I see A and B accumulation and manipulate down. I was trying to see how low it wanted to go before it flipped. I had a strong conviction that it was gonna flip because that whole area is a 4 hour gap that was fresh. The first thing it did, it hit the volume imbalance first, which is a part of the Pediarrhea matrix, and then it reacted. But then it wanted deeper into the gap, so it just kept going deeper, deeper. And then I saw it doing this thing down here on the lower time frames, and I said, okay, we done selling. Now we on the buy side. That's, I like that market making. See we discuss it. It leads you to it. What you selling up at? There's certain things that it do at certain points. That gives you an indication that either the party getting started or the party over with.
Right.
Or which way you going? Then, like I said, typically you get same thing on the left, you get a consolidation on the left, you get a consolidation on the right. Like this. Bottom out. Come back up.
Hey, hey, yo, Jamal,
Yes.
you in this?
No.
Elijah, you in this?
No.
Yeah, you in this?
Nah, I already won 1 to 2.
Okay, so yeah, I made his money. So Jamal, you didn't take the trade?
I saw it on the 1 minute.
Right. That's why I called on you and Elijah because y'all traded 1 minute.
I saw it. The one at 10:40, 10:46. That's
Yeah,
it.
yeah,
Bro.
yeah. Short term high, bearish gap, wick above, gap here, 5 minute gap.
Wow,
Ain't that your
it's
move?
coming out the 5 minute gap.
Right. Ain't that y'all move?
Yeah.
Come on,
Wanted to
Jamal,
come
man.
back to the 5 minute gap and then show you your move.
And then and they gave 1 and 2 already. See, I called on you and him because y'all trade the 1 minute.
Mhm.
Come on, Jamal, man. You know your mama gonna be pissed off at you when she get home, man. Let me see on YouTube. Did y'all take that move? Hey, YouTube, put a 1 in the chat. You took the move. Oh, Junior. Hey, people on YouTube only one of them took it. 1 out of 25.
They wasn't confident about it, so ain't nothing. They want to share why they didn't take it, what they didn't see. It's sad, but
That's why I say, man, learn that marker maker series. So it's by yourself. Put that with what you already know.
Hey, yo, Lily. She on here? Yeah, she on here.
I think she was here this morning.
Yeah, she
Oh,
on
she's
here.
here. Okay, she's here.
Yes.
You take that trade up?
Yeah.
Yep.
How much you make on that trade, Lily?
$977.
In your PA or your other combine?
My other combine.
You gotta trade put down with the with your PA.
I know.
You want real money or monopoly money?
Real money.
Just gotta ask. Just gotta ask. Just gotta ask.
Yeah, folks quick to differentiate them two, don't they?
So Anye took it. Kyle took it. Lily. Hey, yo, Amir, you take a trade?
Yeah, I took it.
Okay, Amir took it. It's just Jamal and Elijah on the small bus today. You know, Jamal came on like he was up all night on the video games rather than the charts. And then Miss J gonna
I ain't say nothing.
right. So I try to tell you. They gonna put your ass. How you out here looking crazy?
I ain't saying nothing. I love his mama, so I ain't saying nothing. I just said
His mama had to wake his ass up this morning. Hey yo, Jamal. Who else? What time you get up this morning?
9.
See, told you. And how did you get up this morning?
My little brother.
Told you. His mama called the brother. The brother went there and woke him up.
Jamal, I can't be making excuses for you.
Right? See, I'm talking about. See,
You making him look. You're making him look bad.
My phone fell off my bed. I
Gotcha.
can't wake up my timer. It fell under my bed.
Okay.
Hey, like they say, excuses like asses. We all got them. Now, what time did you go to bed, Jamal?
I don't remember.
He told you. Now, did you play the game before you went to bed?
Yeah.
He told you. See,
are you playing Fortnite? What are you playing?
I was playing Spider-Man.
See,
Spider-Man.
he spent more time on that game than on them charts. See, Jay, they got you out here looking crazy in these streets.
It's okay. It's okay.
So, Amir, did you put on a proper leverage? So we made about 500.
Why you calculating? Let him tell you what was his profit.
Okay, Mayor, what was your profit, sir?
Thank you.
Like 440.
Okay.
Okay, so you,
I saw that retrace and I was like, let me just get out. It already took the high.
where did you get in at?
Oh, right around here.
So it went 1 and 2.
No, but your entry, you I don't know, you have yours down here. Mine's up here where my entry at.
Okay, so you entered in right here.
Wherever say 40, yeah,
Okay.
right on there.
Stop loss below here.
That's why I got out. It didn't go 1 and 2 yet, but it took that high and I saw retracing, I was just gonna just take it.
Okay.
And that's an okay reason, right? 'Cause it took
Yeah,
it took a swing.
it took where it fell from.
Right.
The initial fall.
Okay.
And yeah, I can't put like too much on anyway. So I was just like, let me
So where you at overall?
overall,
Yeah,
Mhm.
overall.
I'm almost out the negative
So
Okay,
what's your
so
balance?
negative 164.
okay.
Okay.
I can
Alright.
do that.
I'm
Okay.
I've got 700, but no, well, I guess 800 for the week.
Okay. They ain't a bad week.
That's not a bad week if you cleared up that. Okay. Who else?
Jamal,
Yeah, thank you. I'm taking notes.
Yes.
Sundays.
how much you down in your PA?
I'm down.
You ain't up,
Um,
are you?
around 800, like
All
you
right.
said.
Okay, so okay.
Who else? Who else? Who else?
I think those are the two in PAs. I think hey yo
You
Anye,
know-
how much more you need to pass your combine?
Like 3 and some change.
300?
Nah, 3,000 or some change.
He said 3 and some change. I thought 300 too.
So how much did you make this week?
I guess if you factor in everything, like a couple $100.
Okay. Well, where can you live in Maryland for a couple $100 besides home?
Nowhere.
Okay. So next
Nah,
week,
I was trading, but I just lost some trades.
yeah, but did you lose because you didn't follow the rules? Did you lose because the setup didn't work?
It was a little bit of both.
Remember, your life depends on this. This is your livelihood. So you basically didn't make no money this week. So the rent is due on the 1st, late by the 5th. So rent is late. You know, after the 5th, they put on the 6th they put the little note
Yes,
the
I'm trying
30.
to get in contact with a Mr. Steady McGirt.
Oh shit, this nigga he talking business. Maybe yeah. Okay. So you know rent is due on the 1st, late by the 5th. After the 5th, they put the little 30-day eviction notice on your door. So oh yeah, you got 30 days. But no, you got less than that. You got 2 weeks to pass that. Either you're gonna pass it or blow it up. We're not gonna babysit it. 30 days.
Okay.
Hey yo, Jamal,
Which means really 20.
Yeah.
you went when you was on vacation in Boston, you went crazy. So you got 30 2 weeks to put money into that since you passed that combine so fast and you thought you was invisible. Now that's you got 2 weeks to put $3,000 into that PA. Either that or
Hmm?
you blow it up. One or the
Damn,
other.
2 weeks, 3,000. Nah, that's
Yeah, yeah, because
He
Jamal
trying to say 8 days. He passed it so quickly and
right, and then now it's just taking him 2 months in his PA. It's like no, we don't babysit. Hey yo, Kyle, you babysit?
Yeah, nah. It go
Right,
low.
right.
Maybe why do I have to make 3K?
Because you made 3,000 in what less than a week. So why how come now it's
He
taking
basically
you?
saying why you not treating your PA like how you was trading that evaluation. How you trade the evaluation, you should trade your PA. Don't be in the eval trying to hit home runs and then you come to the PA and now you trying to do base hits.
But 100% correct.
You gotta treat your evaluation the same way you treat your PA. They the same thing. You just
Could
get
he just use the FW app and see what he's supposed to be averaging per trade?
He didn't do that when he passed the evaluation, Jay. So why you want to do it now?
Because we want to correct the bad behavior.
Hey Jay, always learn the way you do one thing is the way you do other thing. If he started out reckless, hey, let's keep on. My thing is, Jamal, you done had that PA going on 2 months and you made negative $800. Where you gonna live in New York City for 2 months and lose $800
Mama
besides home?
basement. His mama basement.
Right, because your mama probably down there ready to put you out then if you ain't paid no rent in 2 months and you ate up all the food.
Mr. Boyd,
What's up?
I got a question.
What's up?
So on the day that I passed my PA, I was in class trading. I lost $300. I
What?
went to Lucid Trading and said I lost $300 on July 13th, right? I lost
Okay.
300. But then I went back to TradingView and then I restarted. I refreshed the page on whatchamacallit, Lucid Trading, right? And then all of a sudden the 300 changed to 900. Has that ever happened to you?
Nah, you got blessed by the man upstairs. So not so my thing is now that you done got blessed with basically a free PA. Now you should be trading and taking it serious. There should be no reason you are down like you are. You see your setup, you execute, you measure twice, you cut once.
What do you mean cut?
Measure twice, cut once. You know how when you got carpenters and they outside and then they got the wood and they measuring to make sure that it's precise and then they cut and they making one cut, not two cuts, one cut. Measure
Okay.
twice, cut once.
For layman's, so basically, Jamal, when you see your trade being set up, example, when you see the fair value gap is being set up, right? And you always
Hold on,
drop
Jay.
your
Hold on, Jay. Well. First of all, you got to get up on your own. Yo, mama should not be calling you from the railroad saying, hey, yo, go there and get your brother up, Kyle. She should not be doing that. Jamal,
Oh,
how old are you?
my phone fell.
Okay, Jamal, how old are you?
16.
Now, if you had a job and your phone fell, you're late for work, what happens?
Oh, fired.
Exactly.
so to measure twice, meaning just make sure your risk is smaller than your profit. So he wants you to measure twice before you activate that order that you dropped. That's what he wants you to do. Measure twice, then hit
Okay.
hit buy. So you measure twice before you press confirm. That's all he wants you to do. Just make sure your risk is smaller than your profit, and your profit is always from 1 to 2. I risk 200 to make 400. You could be short by a few whatever.
I need you to be up like you're supposed to be up. The same way you would get up if they said they giving away the Spider-Man game or any other game for free and you gotta be there at 8 o'clock.
It's a one-time thing because I didn't put my phone on charger and then it fell off the bed.
The way you do one thing is the way you do all things. You ever heard
Come
that?
on, Jamal, we got a few more weeks before NYC schools reopen, right? So you can do it. You need to do it because school for us opens in September and we have a few more weeks to snatch money out this market. And that's why you do it. So you'll be able to buy a new gaming chair for yourself or whatever. Take your mom and dad on a nice dinner date or something, but you're capable of doing it. No more excuses. We're going to do it. You know what you need to do. We gonna follow the rules. We gonna get up early. We gonna mark up our charts every other day between you, Amir, before Amir goes to school, whatever. Share your chart. We gonna make money. No more excuses. I'm listening and I'm hearing a lot of excuses. And you know what you need to do. Because if you play games, that means you need that virtual money to put on your card to play the games.
It's basically as simple as they ask saying it, they basically saying how bad do you want it? That's
How
really
bad do you want it, man?
how bad do you want it? The same time you putting into playing that game all night, you could be putting in the study in the charts, doing this and doing that. So it's basically
that game ain't putting no money in your pocket, man.
Hell nah, unless you were a stream on Kick or something, and you were a Twitch person, we don't know about it. You know.
That game ain't putting no money in your pocket, man.
You could download Twitch, yeah.
and one thing I say, like, your parents can want it more. This is what I have.
It's natural. They gonna want it more than them because they want to take care of them.
No. This is what I have noticed from doing this for the last 2 years. The parents want it more than the kids.
Mm-hmm.
And a lot of parents, and I'm gonna say this, a lot of parents,
oh Lord,
a lot of parents want y'all spots. They don't, they say fuck my kid being on it. Hey, they don't want to take it seriously. Hey,
because they see the potential in what this could do for y'all. Y'all don't see the potential because y'all not making what y'all want to be making, but they see.
Nah, because they don't pay no bills.
Yeah, true.
I feel to myself that anyone who's funded should be able to pay a utility bill, pay something, do something. If you playing a game, you should be paying the internet bill. Because when your mom and dad is chilling out asleep, you up running you on the internet. Do something. Because once
there you go. There go 1 or 2.
Okay, thank you for taking me out. No. I want open range high, but it's Friday.
Hey, yo, Amir, that was see, Amir, another thing they were talking about was like what you could probably do it next time is once it takes this high right here, cover.
I was gonna say move your stop up, yeah.
Yeah, cover.
But you know why? Because you told them on Saturday not to cover when it hits 1-to-1 or whatever.
Yeah, 1-to-1. Yeah, this was but this was the high basically.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
See, that's something else you're adding to for them to look out for. Like, did we within your 1 to 2 did we take out a swing? You know,
especially the swing that it fell from, right? Especially
right.
the swing that it fell from, because this is where price retraced to that 5-minute gap. Now, if you go back up, like you say, where the gaps? They go the gap right there. They go to the next gap. It should fill. And this is the high. This is where ultimate target.
868, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh shit! Look, hey, look. There go my man up there. Look at him. Better close in that 5-minute gap. Yeah. 0.5. What's the? I ain't got it up here today. Let's see.
Oh, your thing didn't come up.
Yeah. Let me see.
That's why I be using yours to be cheating.
0.48.
I've been telling you, look up there. Well, I said that a long time ago. Look up there.
Yeah, it says 948, 950.
7.
Don't look down there. Look up.
Yeah, but that part though, that this, not me keep trying. This every time I'm about to write me.
Yeah, it has to unfold. It takes
This
a while.
part, man, that part, yo.
That's the hardest part. Boy.
That's the part. Like if I have on one contract, it doesn't bother me. But when there's a load, it's like my heart skips. Like, should I?
I've been doing other shit.
Should
Distracted
and then I
myself.
tend to say I'm gonna walk away. And then the whole time I'm like, shh, let me hear something. Like, that's too much. Oh Lord.
Once we hit here on a lower time frame, we hit right here on the 32nd. We hit here. And she gave that gap. I ain't been worried about it since.
And that's where I was down. I was down from the below here, from the edge, from the bottom.
See,
sometimes I get mad at myself because then I took off contracts to lighten the load to say, well, okay.
So we went from this gap, went up, hit this gap. That's what set this down to hit this gap. So just going from ping to pong. Now, okay, we're going up with the next gap. All right, little piece left right here. Been a while. Ain't enough. She gonna want up here. And if you go to the 4 hours, same concept.
Yeah, options at over 300%. Hey, yo, Amir.
Yes, sir.
Hey, the next 2 weeks you in charge. I ain't gonna be on at all. I'm okay, Amir. Since you in charge, do you want YouTube to be on while you on? I'm gonna give you the Zoom link and everything.
Why are you making that much?
Why are you doing that? You should have asked him that question off Zoom. Why are you doing that? And we on YouTube. Why are you doing that? Because
Hey
you
yo,
know he gonna say X out the YouTube.
hey yo, Amir. I'm off the next 2 weeks. You in charge. Do you want YouTube to be on?
You got me, man. You ain't dolo.
Wait,
Um,
he got
Oh,
Amir.
I'm tripping. I'm gonna be gone for a week. I'm finna go out of town tomorrow. But
Where
after
you going,
that,
Cal?
I'm finna go to Mexico.
That's me, ho.
Yeah, for my birthday.
you said 2 weeks?
2 weeks. I'll be back in 2 weeks.
You ain't gonna be dolo though. I'm gonna be with you, man. And then I can give you my number too, if you want. You already call.
Do you want YouTube to be on?
No.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, keep the YouTube on.
He said no. That's
All right,
cool.
I keep the YouTube on, man. That's how we spread in the channel.
Did you think boy
We ain't worried about that. We ain't worried about that. YouTube don't pay me. We ain't worried about that. Okay. Okay.
Wait, like that?
Nah,
I'm not monetized.
it's for the people in the back, man.
Hey, the people in the back that had a whole summer of us every day.
They
They
enjoy it.
used to only get Thursday and Fridays. They
They
had a whole summer.
they enjoy.
Minus 1 week I was on vacation. And we had bad Wi-Fi at the hotel.
They enjoy it.
Hey,
Don't do them like that enough.
I mean, I'm
hey,
not gonna be really teaching. I mean,
right, exactly. All right.
like what?
Hey,
Hey,
he said he ain't gonna be teaching. He gonna be focused, man. He said, okay.
ah,
Well,
that's
boy, I think
what me for. We gonna handle it.
I mean, you could take it. You could take a charge.
wait.
Ooh.
I'm not taking charge.
I'm trying to be fair here, because boy put
What's
on
fair?
because Amir starts school when I'm on
He go
vacation,
no.
right?
Amir gonna still be on Zoom because his schedule is he's taking all afternoon classes, so he's still gonna be on the
Your
morning.
afternoon, you book your classes, you register for afternoon classes.
Yeah.
It's this, yeah, okay. I
Yeah,
learned
so
my lesson. I learned my lesson too when I realized those boarding classes was not for me. Okay, but my
so
whole thing is, could we still have Elijah?
no,
No, Elijah's
they
in West Coast. We still have Jamal.
yeah, they still gonna get the link. No, they gonna have the
Yes.
link. It's just gonna be on YouTube.
Okay. Yeah.
It's still be the same link. It just ain't gonna be no YouTube.
Nah,
So
keep the
the
YouTube
parents
up.
Amir said he need to focus. He said he can't focus with his mama keep typing on the YouTube channel. He said he can't. So he need focus. Jamal need focus. He said maybe if it's just like the what about 5 or 6 of y'all together, maybe y'all start talking because a lot of y'all don't even talk.
Someone said, "Look, I'll do it for a week on YouTube."
Hey, Kyle said he out here in Mexico with the
What
pina
happened?
colada. Right.
And my mom said I'm too quiet anyway, so you don't want
Uh-huh.
me to do it.
Uh-huh. Hey, like I say, Amir said, hey, Amir in charge for the next 2 weeks. So it'd probably be Amir on Zoom, Anye, Jamal, I think Kyle, and Mia.
Yeah, I'm gonna be.
It'd be all 5 of them. Hey,
I can do 1 week and Kyle can
no,
do the other
no,
one.
no. You do both 2 weeks, and when I come back in 2 weeks, I need to lease a payout. If you got any questions, throw them in the Telegram. Like Miss J say, drop your chart if you need advice. What should I be looking for? It's time the training wheels come off because y'all said y'all want to trade Asian session when schools come back. Also, this is gonna be a test.
Asian booty.
What's up?
That's an Asian booty.
No shit. Now if you understand because
Man, on that 750 and the 850.
watch this because I have them doing they charts every night and they doing gold and they doing NQ and IA let me see who all dropped their charts that way I can put them on blast. Let me see and make sure because I have them all do homework but I'm like the teacher where they'll give me the homework. Let me see who all dropped their homework yesterday. Anya, Jamal, Mia, and Amir. Anya, he worked third shift. He already dropped his about 2 o'clock in the morning. So I wake up like this, and I asked him, going by the daily chart, what's the bias? We had gold. They said gold was bullish today. Now look at gold last night in Asian session. Ain't this perfect? This is Asian Opens what? 6 o'clock. Hey yo, Jamal.
Yes.
If you are bullish and the market opens, what are you looking for?
I'm bullish and the market opens.
Yes. This is Asian Open right here. What are you looking for?
My setup.
Hey, yo, Amir,
Yes, sir.
if you're bullish and you market opens, what are you looking for?
If I'm bullish,
Correct.
the market opens. See if it's going to previous AI.
I need y'all to get y'all notepads and tell me when y'all ready.
Or to sweep some type of liquidity below.
Oh man, I keep saying the same thing over and over again. And y'all be making me look like I don't teach y'all
You
nothing,
gotta
man.
think about it like if you want it to go higher, you want the candle to open, go low, go high, and then close. And opposite for the sales, but I know y'all looking for the buy. So you want the 1 hour or the 4 hour candle to open up, go down lower, sweep out some liquidity, go up, go high, and then close up there. That's kind of how like the open high low close the power of three work for the candles.
My thing is y'all act like I don't teach y'all nothing, man. Come on, Amir. What have we gone over? If Asian opens here, you want to see it's the same thing as 930. If I'm bullish, what do I want to see at 930? Price do what? Manipulate up or down?
Down.
What did price do on gold at Asian Open? It manipulated which direction?
Down.
Down, because this is open. It manipulated where? Down. What did it give you? Bearish gap here at 835, correct? And then at 9 o'clock, what did it do? It didn't go off that whole candle. Short-term high, bearish gap, wick above, correct?
Yes, sir.
Then what did it do? Came 9:30, 1 minute. See, I'm more aggressive like seeing shit like this because I would have been looking right here. This gap here, I'd probably want it here. And then when it missed me here, I'd have been looking. What time is it? 11:40.
Mr. Boyd,
Oh, what up, Lily?
what were we supposed to write down?
Great question, Lily. Tell me when you're ready, Lily.
I'm ready.
Okay. So if your bias is bullish, and let's say you looking at Asian Open, you want to see the false move go below the opening price of Asian. And then what I like to see is I like to see either a 5 or a 15-minute bearish gap below price get inverted, meaning that price trades on that 5-minute and closes above the bearish gap. Then come back to it to go higher. Does that make sense, Lily?
You lost me a little bit ago. Like I did. I'm a slow writer. I can't write that fast.
You write fast in school, Lily. I got
No,
you.
I don't.
I got you. So Anye, Amir, Jamal, and Mia said that gold was bullish. This is the price where gold opened up last night.
Okay.
So I want to see the false move, meaning it's called Judas. I want price to Judas below the opening price of here. At 835, we Judas below there. Gave a bearish gap. Now I want to see price shows me it wants to go higher. Because it can just keep going lower, take out this low, and lower. The signature for me is two things. Short-term high, bearish gap, wick above. That was the first one. But also, this wick above, we closed in this bearish gap. If price was going lower, it should have not closed in this bearish gap. And also, like, if my narrative was up. So I'm liking this. So now it's using this as support to go higher. So I'm boxing off this bearish 5-minute gap, and now I'm going to my lower time frame to look for entry to go up higher. Does that make sense, Lily? You still writing, Lily?
Yeah.
I lost you again?
Yeah. So you want to see the false move,
Judas.
the Judas. Okay. And what else?
And then the same thing like our entry time frame. Come back to it, retest it, and show me it wants to go higher. Does that make sense, Lily?
Yes.
And then for me, what I do now a lot is like when I see moves like this, I get aggressive and I'm looking at okay, when price made it made this gap, I'm looking inside of here. Like where can price bounce to go higher? And I'm looking for the black candle, not the green candle, the black candle. Do I get left? Yeah. But if you look at inside here, you got this black candle. Some people say, boy, but is it another black candle? These two are together. It It's the same. Basically, I'm using both of them together, but on this 30-second. And then I like to get in at the opening of the candle. So this candle opens up here. That's how I begin to, especially a couple places like today. And then for me, it's if I'm wrong, it's gonna show me real quick. In here, my stop loss below here. Now the ultimate target, I mean the ultimate goal is to be able to hold it to the target, which was previously high, which was
I just gave it to you again on the wow, you just man, let's go.
see, and this is my ultimate. I want to say before the end of the year, I want to be able to do this, be able to hold it to that draw because I'm in here and the draw is all the way up here.
People worry about the which part, but that's the way
That's the draw.
You could have did that today. Oh, ain't
Nah, nah, because the draw is previous day low.
Oh, ain't you?
If we go about how I teach them, and like I'm gonna talk about that today and tomorrow during class, and it got there what at 4:30 in the morning, risking $360 to make $6,650. Like take profit 150K. Let's just say, nah, I couldn't sleep. I wouldn't be able to sleep. I bullshit. Nah, I couldn't sleep on
Do
this.
it. Nah,
I couldn't sleep.
damn sure not that first time.
Uh-uh. I couldn't sleep.
You have to look that thing in the face all the way.
Where's what the buy at? You can't buy out here? What Yeah, I couldn't sleep. Hell no. Nope. I won't be able to sleep. Hell no. Hell no. Mr. Boyd out. I couldn't sleep on no shit like this, man. Hell no. Hell no.
I don't know why you can't.
Hell no.
You gonna sleep. You can't change the outcome.
Hey, and the copy on all five of them bitches? Fuck no, I couldn't sleep. Because I'm looking like shit. That's 6 figures right there. That's 6. Nope.
If you say no, you ain't gonna get it.
Not
Just say
yet.
yeah, I am.
Not yet.
Nope, you gotta say not yet. Say yeah, I am.
Oh yeah, I'm definitely am. Hey, and when I
So
do
you
it,
already did it.
all right, and I'm acting ass about it too. Hey, and then I'm flying down to Florida, and I need to be right at Take Profit desk because they be taking a long time with my money nowadays, man. Like you said, even I hit you up. Me and Miss Shrine, we be hey every fucking day, every night. I know the exact time.
Like that Jim Jones video when he outside tapping his feet.
Uh-huh.
Like, in the snow. Like he said, wait, boy, what my shit?
Hey, every day between about 7:45 and 8:15. I'm at Take Profit website refreshing. Okay. Now it's time to put my payout in. Okay. Come on, man. Come
See
on,
what
E.
it came off. It retraced out right here. Right down there. That word you don't like, but you use all the time.
Right.
Right.
Now I'm up then at $250,000. Come on, man. Take Profit, don't close me out, man, like Top Step would, man. Don't fail me now.
That'd be no. Should break her. Take it right back to it.
I'm telling you, it's coming. It's coming real soon.
That only cute. Today was the day, man.
I'm telling you.
I just knew you were gonna ride it and take that thing all the way back up.
That's a 500,000. 500,000. And I'm telling you, it won't be no Zoom. I'm not mentioning for 4:30 in the morning.
Yeah, it'll be a zoom. You'll be zooming your ass. You'll be zooming your ass to Florida.
All right. On the first thing smoking.
You'll be getting that private jet.
Uh-huh.
Nah, you be go wild like a mother.
half a mil. Take probably get they 10%. I got 450. Uncle Sam get his 125. Like, come on, man. You got down there all the way up there, man. Come on, man. Nah, man, is this government work?
That's the games they play, bro. They all the way back.
See, that's
All the way back in tournaments to the last gap. Right away here.
I know, E. Hey,
Down
it's
up in here.
government work. It's government work, E.
Nah, that's too far away from government work.
We had 90,000, man. Woo!
Yeah.
And that was before even the 8:30 news. Hey, yo, Amir, man.
Yes, sir.
2 weeks, man. 2 weeks. I need 3,000, man. That way you can take your payout and you can have your school closed. 2 weeks, man. You're gonna be in charge of the Zoom, man. You in charge. Sorry, Doss, man. They say Amir said you need to concentrate, man. He can't have y'all for the next 2 weeks. So Amir says ain't no Doss, man. You gotta make them proud, man, and make some money. I mean, you gotta talk to each other, ask people what they seeing. Hey, if you need any help, just drop it in the Telegram. Yep. See, when your bias aligns with the order flow, man. See, and I'm looking at gold, like, especially on that daily, like that gap right there. It's like when it's a pretty high, what's right there? Look at this gap. It should fill this gap.
Squeeze that back up. You might have took that. Okay, yeah, she took that week.
Uh-huh.
So she done took that side. Now we flip. We flip.
Yeah.
Here on out, we on this side of my side.
Hey, yo, teams, you see how this was? I know I had you guys do NQ and go. You see how this gold chart is more in your favor of a bullish move? Because when we had the NQ and we looked at it, you guys were 1000% correct for doing what you did, like you say. Like this is a confirmed swing, but when you guys said pre-day lower to draw, I can see why you guys did that. But understand when you're looking at it, this is a daily gap. Look at how price reacted inside the daily gap. That's why before I have a definite answer that price is going to take out pre-day low, I would need for it to give me more information. Maybe this come lower. Because you look, the body tells the story. We only working off then the upper 25% of that gap. So for me, rather than saying pre-day low was the draw, I waited. And that's why I like wait for 9:30 to see what the market gonna give me. Hey yo, IA,
As Mr. Boyd.
does that make sense? Because I know all you all picked pre-day low as the draw on NQ today because of the swing. But do you see when this kind of printed yesterday how it reacted inside this daily gap?
Yeah.
Like if price was heavily bearish, it would have. Okay, you see when this confirmed a swing, you see how this is more buy than wick,
Yeah.
and then this one, the same thing, just kept going lower and lower. Like if you have a hard time looking at it and it's like it's not definite, just wait for 9:30 and like put undecided basically. Like on gold, when we looked at it, yes, confirms swing, bullish, bullish, bullish. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Like if you are iffy and you're like, okay, well, Mr. Boyd, it did give me the swing, but it did come inside this gap, and I don't know. Well, just it's not high probability for you. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that makes sense.
And I'd rather it be high probability than no probability. Because let's say somebody was short and it's like, oh yeah, pre-day low, it's a draw. They didn't got their head blown off today. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Hey, yo, Amir, does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Gotcha. Hey, yo, Jamal, does that make sense?
Yes.
Hey, yo, Jamal, you on the big stage the next 2 weeks, man.
Big stage, what do you mean?
You gotta make money.
I thought you told me not to trade next week.
You home, right?
No.
Oh, you're not home. Okay.
No, because I'm going to the little camp thing.
Oh, yeah, I forgot your mom didn't tell me that. Well, the week after that, you got less than a month.
I'm also doing the camp thing. I think it's 2 weeks.
2 weeks? Okay. You got less than a month.
I don't know, because after that, I'm going on the cruise.
Cruise.
I'll try.
Well, you better blow it up there. No. Or notes. Hey, yo, Lily.
Yes.
School starts Monday.
Yeah.
You're gonna be a full-time Asian trader. Oh, hopefully you understand and took notes to know what you're looking for going into Asian session. Because Asian session can be good and it also can be bad if you don't understand. I'm done for the week. I'm done. Hey, yo, Amir. I'll see y'all in 2 weeks. You gotta hold on the fort.
I got you.
Make me proud, man. Get a couple payouts, man. Hey, yeah, man. When I get back, man, that combine needs to be passed.
Okay.
Hey, yo, Elijah,
Yo,
when you start school?
I don't know, bro. I don't know.
Do you know if you're coming or going?
What you mean?
You don't know when school start, Elijah, man.
Nah, but I know when my first game is.
I'm going to die with laughter.
Your
Elijah,
priorities
you
are
are
objective.
so
Your
funny.
priorities.
So basically, you just get enough good grades to stay on the team. That's it.
No. I have a 3.8. I have a 3.8.
So
Okay.
when does school start?
Bruh, I don't
Bruh, he
know.
said, bruh, you ain't hear what he say, bruh. He don't know. He be like real for real. Like he don't know. You hear in his voice. You ain't getting no school emails like the first day
You
of
don't
school
check
is
them. You don't check them. When the first game?
2 weeks.
Who y'all play?
Riverside.
oh.
You a starter or you last man on the bench?
Nah, I'm not starting, but I'm gonna get in for sure.
You gonna be on TV, man?
I think YouTube.
What's your number?
18.
18. What's your position?
Corner.
How tall are you, Elisha?
6 foot.
You short for a corner. Okay. Okay. Hold on. You the shortest out of all the boys, because your brother's taller than you, right?
Yeah, he's taller than me.
Yeah. Did you play in high school?
Yeah.
And Pop Warner and all that?
Yeah.
So Elijah, I need you to pass that combine in the next 2 weeks, man.
Uh, hey, I'm down 4:30 right now.
That's a good thing.
No, brother, that's a bad thing.
No, it ain't. Because if your mother had that account, it'd been blown. $400. Shit, come on, man. A dog's dream to be only down 400.
All right.
So when I come back in 2 weeks, Jamal be on the cruise. Elijah passed his combine. Aya should be past his combine, and Amir should at least put $3,000 to $4,000. When I come back, Amir should be putting his payout request in for Top Step. If you got any questions, hey, don't forget the homework that I have you guys do every day. Drop your charts. If y'all have any questions, the Telegram is the best way to get in touch. No questions, no concerns, and as we